For phonics today, we are working on our KN words, where the K is silent. So KN says N. The directions on this worksheet say, I can read KN words. Drag and drop the pictures to the correct words. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words and 8 pictures. Let's identify what the pictures are. Then your job is going to be to read the words and match the pictures by dragging on the picture and dropping it in the box. Remember to drag and drop. You push your thumb down on your keypad and drag your finger across. So here are the pictures. My turn, your turn. Knock, knit, knob, knuckle, knot, need, kneel, and night. When you are done dragging and dropping the pictures to the correct spots, don't forget to press the turn-in button.